Here are 2021 JAMB Economics questions, answers, and explanations from question 1 to 25. 1. An economic system where the resources are owned and controlled by private individuals is called A. Communism. B. Capitalism. C. Socialism. D. Feudalism. Answer: B. Capitalism. Explanation: Capitalism is an economic system in which private individuals or businesses own capital goods and production. It is driven by profit motives. 2. The study of individual units in the economy is called A. Macroeconomics. B. Microeconomics. C. Descriptive economics. D. Normative economics. Answer: B. Microeconomics. Explanation: Microeconomics deals with individual units like consumers, households, and firms, while macroeconomics studies the whole economy. 3. Which of the following is not a function of money? A. Medium of exchange. B. Store of value. C. Measure of value. D. Means of production. Answer: D. Means of production. Explanation: Money serves as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. It is not a means of production. 4. The reward for capital as a factor of production is A. Rent. B. Interest. C. Profit. D. Wage. Answer: B. Interest. Explanation: Capital earns interest, labor earns wages, land earns rent, and entrepreneurship earns profit. 5. The scale of preference helps to A. Arrange wants in order of importance. B. Allocate resources optimally. C. Reduce wants. D. Create wants. Answer: A. Arrange wants in order of importance. Explanation: A scale of preference ranks needs and wants in order of priority due to scarcity of resources. 6. Which of the following would cause a movement along the demand curve? A. Change in population. B. Change in income. C. Change in the price of the commodity. D. Change in taste. Answer: C. Change in the price of the commodity. Explanation: A movement along the demand curve is caused by a change in the goods price. Other factors shift the curve. 7. If demand is elastic, a decrease in price will cause total revenue to A. Decrease. B. Remain unchanged. C. Increase. D. Fluctuate. Answer: C. Increase. Explanation: With elastic demand, consumers respond more to price changes, so lower prices increase total revenue. 8. The additional cost incurred by producing one more unit of a good is A. Average cost. B. Marginal cost. C. Fixed cost. D. Total cost. Answer: B. Marginal cost. Explanation: Marginal cost is the cost of producing one additional unit. It helps in decision-making on output levels. 9. A firm will shut down in the short run if A. It cannot cover its fixed cost. B. It cannot cover its variable cost. C. It is making no more profit. D. Marginal cost equals marginal revenue. Answer: B. It cannot cover its variable cost. Explanation: In the short run, a firm continues operating as long as it can cover variable cost. Otherwise, it shuts down. 10. The long run is a period in which A. All factors of production are fixed. B. Some inputs are variable. C. All inputs are variable. D. Variable costs are zero. Answer: C. All inputs are variable. Explanation: In the long run, firms can adjust all inputs, unlike the short run where at least one input is fixed. 11. In a market economy, prices are determined by A. Producers only. B. Government. C. Consumers only. D. The interaction of demand and supply. Answer: D. The interaction of demand and supply. Explanation: In a market or capitalist economy, prices are set by the forces of demand and supply without government interference. 12. The satisfaction a consumer derives from consuming one more unit of a commodity is A. Total utility. B. Marginal utility. C. Average utility. D. Diminishing utility. Answer: B. Marginal utility. Explanation: marginal utility is the additional satisfaction from consuming one extra unit of a good. 13. If the cross-elasticity of demand between two goods is positive, the goods are A. Complementary. B. Independent. C. Substitutes. D. Inferior. Answer: C. Substitutes. Explanation: a positive cross-elasticity means that as the price of one good rises, the demand for the other also rises, indicating they are substitutes. 14. A shift in the supply curve can be caused by A. Change in consumer taste. B. Change in price of the commodity. C. Change in technology. D. Change in quantity demanded. Answer: C. Change in technology. Explanation: improved technology makes production more efficient, shifting the supply curve to the right. 15. In the short run, when total product increases at a decreasing rate, marginal product is A. Rising. B. Falling. C. Zero. D. Constant. Answer: B. Falling. Explanation: when total product increases at a decreasing rate, each extra unit adds less, meaning marginal product is falling. 16. The average product of labor is obtained by dividing total product by the A. Number of machines. B. Cost of labor. C. Number of labor. D. Marginal product. Answer: C. Number of labor. Explanation: average product equals total product divided by number of labor units. 17. The difference between total revenue and total cost is called A. Profit. B. Marginal cost. C. Average cost. D. Opportunity cost. Answer: A. Profit. Explanation: profit is what remains after subtracting total cost from total revenue. 18. If a firm doubles all its inputs and output also doubles, it is experiencing A. Increasing returns to scale. B. Decreasing returns to scale. C. Constant returns to scale. D. Diminishing marginal returns. Answer: C. Constant returns to scale. Explanation: constant returns to scale means input and output increase proportionally. 19. The most important motive for holding money is A. Investment motive. B. Speculative motive. C. Transaction motive. D. Precautionary motive. Answer: C. Transaction motive. Explanation: people primarily hold money for daily purchases and transactions, which is the transaction motive. 20. The quantity of money in circulation and the level of prices are A. Not related. B. Inversely related. C. Positively related. D. Equal. Answer: C. Positively related. Explanation: according to the quantity theory of money, more money in circulation usually leads to higher prices, inflation. 21. Which of the following is not a function of a wholesaler? A. Storage. B. Bulk breaking. C. Advertising to final consumers. D. Risk-bearing. Answer: C. Advertising to final consumers. Explanation: advertising to final consumers is mainly done by retailers, not wholesalers. Wholesalers mostly handle bulk sales and logistics. 22. The total stock of money available for use in an economy at a particular time is called A. Legal tender. B. Money supply. C. Purchasing power. D. Per capita income. Answer: B. Money supply. Explanation: money supply includes all the currency and deposits available in an economy at a given time. 23. The most liquid asset is A. Bond. B. Money. C. Land. D. House. Answer B. Money. Explanation. Money is the most liquid asset because it can be used immediately for transactions without needing to convert it. 24. A commercial bank is said to be liquid when it can A. Meet its long-term obligations. B. Borrow from the central bank. C. Meet all its cash obligations on demand. D. Sell its buildings. Answer C. Meet all its cash obligations on demand. Explanation. Liquidity refers to a bank's ability to meet withdrawal demands and other short-term liabilities. 25. A key function of the central bank is A. Accepting deposits from the public. B. Giving loans to individuals. C. Issuing currency. D. Ensuring deposits. Answer C. Issuing currency. Explanation. The central bank has the sole authority to print and issue legal tender in the economy.